No. Just take a look at it this way. In the whole Beyounce collaboration, Leslie played a certain role in the pitching.
Yeah.
Because they did pitch, regardless of the fact that there was a lookout for Pan-African talents. There was a pitching. They took in and stuff like that, which means that there is a template, a way to be able to gain the attention of the world. And that's why I also share in and agree with the people that this is a template that worked for you. This is somebody that knew you. This is somebody that was working with you. In fact, I worked with Leslie as well. And there was some level of pitching to Beyonce's team to get all of these things done and all of that, which means that it was a template. Couldn't you have run with a similar template to ensure that you built traction in the ways that made sense for any other investor from across the world to come to you?
So, to be really frank with this, all of us, including Leslie and everybody, was shocked when we had that call from Beyonce's team. Because Beyonce was ready to come on the ground. Right. People listen to my brother Rasta here because what he's saying, those are the realities. People listen to Sadiq because what Sadiq will tell you, those are the realities.
Yeah.
Mercury, people listen to him because what Mercury is saying, it's true because we are in the current times.
Yeah.
When Amachi, the day Daddy Lumba and all those people were there were the record labels there. Those days Cantamanto was there. Yeah, investors were there. Yes, I mean, if you go to Cantamanto, you see shops.
Yeah.
That to call it 200 million and 300 million. Now
what do they call it? Forward money or upfront money? Or they have some money. They have some money. They call it.
They have some name. They call it.
Yeah.
Front money.
Front money or something like that. Yeah.
And people are getting it. I heard that from the cassettes, from the book bags, from the Bradford. They were getting it.
Yeah.
But it's because we didn't have people like the Sadiqs that you guys around those times, so we couldn't hold that.
Yeah.